I guess early morning, 7:30, set off. Had a nice breakfast of noodles and fried egg and some lovely like chicken broth. Then we got in a van. Told very little actually. I was dressed in long trousers and stuff, thinking it's gonna be really cold here. I mean it is. It's like 20 degrees. So. Give it some weird fruit.
That's the problem.
No idea what it is.
Fruit allergen.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, don't risk it, man.
Huh?
Right, see how this goes. Yeah. It's mighty dry. It's pretty sweet though.
You don't like lychee?
It's actually really nice.
Have you tried mangosteen?
What's it called? Do we know what it's called?
No. Salaka.
Salaka?
Salaka, basically.
Salaka. Lovely. Okay then. Made it to the waterfall.
I can do later.
Funny monkeys.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Right, off down the mountain.
Unwelcoming.
I'm in
Just kind of like doing
Birkenstocks. Not the one. But I didn't want to get my boots wet again. So, whoa. It's wobbly that one. I think we're going down to see it. Start of the hike. Oh, look at this. Yes. Oh, water. This is excellent. Not my Birkenstock. What? It's not even connected to any beach. on a fire. Let's burn all our plastic. It's literally, is that a sandal?
Did you see the road down with
Okay, walking through a river now. They're too slippy, I can't walk. See how this goes. It's not too bad. Oh, damn. Perfect. Oh my god. Look at this shit. Okay then. Made it. Oh yeah, let's go for it. That's the waterfall. We're gonna go and explore it now. It's like constantly raining here. But brilliant views. Brilliant views. Fucking freezing though. Alright, pretty rainy now. Gonna be the last one because it's too wet for my camera, but it looks pretty damn nice. It's basically Niagara Falls. I mean, less water, but it's kind of the same. Yeah, on the ascent, there's the final bit. Almost the end. Then we've got a few hours at home. Don't know what time it is now actually. To rest, and then we set off at 12:30. So it looks like I'm going to be without a jacket for 8-degree weather. It's going to be awful. There's a side monkey there, chained up. Maybe you can see it.